What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the time you come across this video, guys. You are welcome to my channel. This is Beauty Egareva YouTube channel. For those of you who are just seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please, guys, feel free to share my video. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. If you did not subscribe to your Get channel, your Star channel, what did you gain? Nothing now. Subscription is just free. Please like this video, share. Just share this video. This video might be helpful to someone out there, especially mothers that have kids. Yeah. So I just want to make this short video. I want to prepare this hot dog. I'll call it hot dog buns or hot dog donuts. Yes, this is my hot dog. As you can see, I've cut the hot dog. I just use this stick. So just watch this video, guys. Free, relax, balance, carry your chair, may you sit down. Let's go there. Here I have my flour. I'm going to turn it inside this bowl. Just need a bowl like this, deep one egg, baking powder, you need a little baking powder, just a little like this is enough. This is curry, little as well. Enough. Here is my sugar. This is brown sugar, guys. If you have white sugar, no problem. It's sugar. Little like this. Here is my milk latte. Just add to it. Then we are going to mix our flour, our ingredients, everything together. So guys, we are going to mix it like this. Mix it very thick, not light, as if we are making a custard, guys. Yes, like this. See, this is it. This is it, guys. So we are done mixing. So it's going to be like this. See it? So we're going to start frying it now. You take one like this, you dip it inside very well. Then you put it in your fry pan inside the oil. You fry it. It's like this, guys. Yes. Dip it inside very well. So guys, this is it. It's ready. Our hot dog is ready. So guys, you can be giving it to your kids to take to school. Your kids can take it to school. See, this is really yummy. Guys, you need to try this at home. Oh, you need to try this recipe at home. Go and try it. Try it and drop your comment for the comment section. Try it at home, guys. You will love it. You say, oh, this is what I'm going to be eating from now. You can even use it as breakfast. Give it to your kids to take to school. We that have kids that is going to school, it's really nice, guys. Please, if you find this video useful, guys, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share my video. If you share my video, guys, give me the strength, the energy to do more, to bring more video, more beautiful video like this, guys, to you. Please, please, I beg you. I'm on my knees, guys. Subscribe, share my video. Share, guys. Share, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. This is so nice. It's so nice, so yummy and delicious. Look at it, guys. Just hot dog, flour, and few ingredients. Go and try it, guys. Yeah, you thank me later. Go and try it. Thank you so much. Thank you. One love, guys. Keep us together. I love you all so much. Bye. Till I see you guys on my next video.